vowed to intensify its efforts to shut down schools this week. On Friday, COSAS members removed learners from several schools in Bloemfontein, Botshabelo and Welkom in the Free State. The organization wants all learners and teachers to be tested for the coronavirus before they report back to school. I want to get the very latest now and bring in Palesa Moeti. She's joining us live. Palesa, very good morning to you. We understand that there's a meeting underway between COSAS, principals as well as unions. What are we learning at this stage?
Well, what I can tell you now is that we are outside in Intensify secondary school here in Botshabelo, where members of COSAS are meeting with a school principal. Normally, that is the standard operating procedure. They meet with the principal and then afterwards they will get an opportunity to address the learners, to tell them about their concerns regarding schools being shut down to allow for testing of learners as well as educators. So that is happening currently here. This is also happening in Bloemfontein and in Welkom. Their reasoning obviously is that, they want everybody to be tested, to be cleared, to make sure that everybody is safe while schools are being phased in. So that's the main issue there. But also what I can tell you is that in the Free State at this very moment, today in fact, there's at least 5 schools that are under investigation. 3 of them are in Bloemfontein, 2 are in Kwakwa. And what I can tell you also is that in Kwakwa, it's teachers that are under investigation. The department has screened the teachers and obviously they've got symptoms of coronavirus. So those teachers are being tested today. And obviously that whole process will also unfold towards the learners as well. Also in Bloemfontein, two of the schools, teachers are also under investigation for COVID-19. And I can just also tell you that there's one more school in Bloemfontein where the results are expected to be out today. So basically in the Free State, that's the situation at the moment. Already 2 schools have had confirmation of COVID-19. That is Grey College as well as another school in Harrismith that is called New Horizon. So those schools have definitely been confirmed that there are learners that have tested COVID-19 positive. It's 1 learner each in those schools. New Horizon has in fact written to parents to ask them not to bring their children to school today, to allow the school to be deep cleaned. So that is the situation across the province for now in terms of COVID-19 in schools.
Well, so what are parents saying with regards to COSAS's demands? Have they reacted?
Definitely, parents have been quite vocal. They've got mixed views. There are some parents that say that there is a need to close down schools just to scrap this 2020 academic year altogether. And then there's other parents that say that there's really no need for schools to be closed down. Children should be back in class because what else are they doing at home besides playing? There was one parent who was saying that everywhere you go around in the township, you find children playing in the streets. So what is the point of them staying at home and not going to school? So there's a variety of views, but definitely the fear, nervousness is there that children are most likely to be, compromising their health by going to school.
Palesa and Tsepo, live for us in Botshabelo. Thank you very much indeed for your reporting. Well, equal education and school governing bodies of 2 Limpopo schools have launched an urgent court application against the Department of Basic Education and Provincial Education Departments. The applications challenges the department's failure to roll out the National Schools Nutrition Programs to all learners. Earlier, I spoke to Renee McFarlane from Equal Education.